Next up, II Captain for Gunny. In this one, need to search for usable ships on water. Head all the way to the extreme far east side of the map over here in Tiger Bay. Zooming in, you'll find the UNLRA refugee camp over here and a pier that leads out into the ocean. We'll essentially be heading onto this pier, and all we need to do is make our way all the way to the end of this pier. That being said, it's really not easy as there's so many AI surrounding here, literally thousands of AI everywhere. When you get to this pier, simply head out onto it. You can of course swim to it, but heading all the way out to the far end over here, getting rid of the few AI that do exist on this pier, you'll get the mission done as soon as you get far enough. As I can see already, there are 3 AI on this pier, and probably more to come. Am I lagging? I guess server's dead, and I have 6 FPS. Anyways, it seems like the server died there. Anyways, what you'll do is you'll run to the end of the pier then, and as soon as you do, the mission should be done. It's relatively simple, though definitely not easy by any standards, as there's thousands of AI in the area. Anyways, hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.